Hi, Larry Parman, once again from a Viking cruise ship on the Danube River in Austria. So earlier I recorded a brief session on when a power of attorney becomes effective. So now I want to address the question of when does it terminate? And a power of attorney terminates at two clear decision points or two clear events. The first clear event would be upon your death. The agent has no power upon your death. So don't expect it to work for you at that point. Don't expect your agent to be able to act on your behalf using that document at that point. Upon death, the power terminates. Second, the power of attorney also terminates if you revoke it. And if you revoke it, it should be in writing. Some people say that the revocation should even be filed at the local courthouse. That certainly couldn't hurt because it puts the world on notice that whoever may be acting on your behalf no longer has the authority to do so, and then it becomes a matter of public record. But you certainly want to destroy all previous copies of the power of attorney. Now the question is, well, what if I've given a copy of that to someone or an agent, someone who I've designated as an agent, and I no longer want them to have the ability to exercise any power on my behalf? Well, and you cannot get a copy back from them. Well, in that case, it might be a good idea to file it as a matter of public record and notify any institution you're currently doing business with that that power of attorney has been revoked. You want to be sure you replace it with a new one if that occurs, and authorize someone who you now trust to do the job perhaps more effectively than the person that you've removed. That's the most common reason people revoke a power of attorney. So anyway, just a couple quick notes there about when a power of attorney terminates. Again, in summary, at the time of death, number one, and when you revoke it. A couple key points, just the history of the power of attorney form. Most power of attorney forms today are what we refer to as a durable power of attorney. They carry different names. For example, in our case, we call it a property power of attorney. But it has durability features. What does that mean? If a power of attorney is durable, that means that the power you grant someone survives your disability or incapacity. In some of the prior statutes, the power of attorney terminates if you became disabled. Well, that was crazy because that's the very time you need someone having the ability to act on your behalf. So anyway, a few key points again about the power of attorney form. Going to sign off, may have a little bit more to say about that document at a later time. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.
If you would like to learn more about creating an estate plan for your family, protecting your assets if you have to go into a nursing home, or transitioning your business, call 405-843-6100 or send an email to info@parmanlaw.com. That's 405-843-6100 and info@parmanlaw.com. Thank you.